Hello. In this video I'm going to show you a great system information gathering tool called Speccy, and I'm going to start by opening a web browser, and in the search box I'm going to type CNET Speccy, and then I'm going to click on the Speccy from cnetdownload.com link. Next I'm going to click the green download button. If you have the option to run, go ahead and run. I'm going to save the file. Once it's finished downloading, I'm going to double click on it to run it. And I'm going to leave English as my language. I'm going to click next. And this is a matter of preference. I'm going to uncheck add desktop shortcut because I don't want a shortcut on my desktop. And I'm going to leave add start menu shortcuts checked, and also automatically check for updates to Speccy checked. In the advanced options, there's really not much to it. You can select to have Speccy installed for any user on the computer or just for yourself. And I'm going to leave the destination location where it is, and I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to click install. I'm going to uncheck view release notes, and I'm going to leave run Speccy checked and click finish. As soon as Speccy opens, it begins gathering information, including temperatures. If I go to operating system, it gives me all the information I'd ever need for the operating system, everything from what operating system I'm running, to what computer type I'm running, when I installed the operating system, and the serial number of the operating system. It tells me whether Windows Security Center is enabled or not, and also if the firewall is enabled or not. It gives me information on Windows updates, if they're scheduled to run automatically and when they're scheduled to run. It tells me if Windows Defender is enabled or disabled, what antivirus I'm running, the different versions of .NET Framework that's been installed, environmental variables. It gives a power profile, what power scheme you're using. Shows the uptime, the current uptime, and then last boot time. Shows the time zone that you selected when you installed the operating system. And it also shows the tasks that are scheduled to run in Task Scheduler. You can view processes that are running on the computer, any hot fixes that were released, system folder information, where each of the folders are located. You can view the services that are running. It shows you the security configurations, and you can also view the device tree. Under CPU, once again it gives the name and the model of the CPU. Shows your fan speed, your bus speeds, and also temperatures. Under RAM, shows how many slots you have on the motherboard, how many slots are actually being used. It tells you the type of memory that you're using, the size of the memory, information on physical memory, and it'll even give you SPD information. Motherboard gives you the name of the manufacturer, the model, tells you the brand and the version of BIOS you're running, what voltages you're running at. Under graphics, first it gives information on the monitor that you're using, and then it gives information on the graphics card, everything from the name and model to the temperatures running at. Under hard drives, it gives you the name of the manufacturer and the model of the hard drive that you're running, what type of interface it's using, the capacity of the hard drive, and it also gives you information on each partition. Under optical drives, it gives you information about your CD, DVD players. Audio gives you information on your sound card, your playback device, and your recording device. Peripherals gives you information on anything that's connected to the computer, from the mouse to the keyboard to a printer, any devices connected to the computer. Under network, it shows if we have an established connection to the network. It gives you IP address, subnet mask, your default gateway. It also gives the computer name and what work group you're assigned to. It tells you if remote desktop is enabled or disabled. You can view Wi-Fi information, Win HTTP info. You can see if sharing and discovery is enabled. And then it also displays a list of the network adapters that you're using. As you can see right now, I have two. I have my main network adapter on my host computer, and then I have the network adapter for VirtualBox. You can view your network shares as well as current TCP connections. Up at the top under File, you have the option to save a snapshot of the system information You could publish the snapshot, or you could load a snapshot that you've previously saved. You could also save the information as an XML file or as a text file. Under View, you can select the section that you want to view when Speccy opens. Under Options, there's a few options. You can set the language. You can have the temperatures displayed in Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can save all settings to any file, and you can automatically check for updates for Speccy. And under Help, of course, they have online help if you needed any information or help with Speccy. And that's Speccy. Like I said, it's a great information gathering tool. I've used it on several computers. Has really helped me out a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.